To set up a music app like YouTube Music on your Garmin Vivoactive, take your phone. First, open Garmin Connect. When the app is loaded, on the first screen tap in the top right corner. On the following screen, select the watch where you want YouTube Music to be installed. On your Garmin Watch page, scroll down and find the music option. Tap on it. Next, on the music screen, find the music providers option and tap on it. Then tap on the blue Set up Music App button. On the next screen, tap on YouTube Music option. When the page of the YouTube Music app is loaded, find the blue Install button. Tap on the button. Then tap on the Allow button. When the app is installed, your watch should show that it has a new app and you need to log into your YouTube Music account. You must open the URL provided by your watch and enter the code. For your convenience, you can use a QR code to open the URL more quickly. Take your phone, scan the code, and open the URL. Next, you must type the activation code from your watch. Next, you must select the Google account which you want to use. Then you must confirm that you give YouTube Music access to your Google account. Next, you can see that the device was successfully connected.